3076 for the 82 AR.
3076. How much boost?
I think we're at 20 right now. Safe to get out this way?
Yeah, you can get out here. Down a little bit. There's gonna be an exit over on the right once you get past this next vehicle.
Just wanna make sure I don't fucking scrape.
Yeah, coilovers or springs?
Coils.
What coils?
CX and V2s. I'm gonna probably switch them though to a nicer setup. I'm gonna go back that way.
Okay.
I've got bad wastegate rattle right now. That's what you keep hearing. You want me to go down this way?
What's up, D, man?
Is it straight enough?
Yeah.
I'll just do a quick second because we're going to be going pretty quick at the end of the second.
Shit. Big
Yeah,
holes,
really,
man.
yeah, it freaking picks up real high. That's the crazy part, man, is like I don't have torque, I have horsepower. So it's completely different racing now for me.
I think fucking poles, that's definitely faster than the speed.
Well, see, that's the thing is like it really fucking hits hard fucking up top, and that wasn't my 1-to-1 gear. My 1-to-1 gear is third, and third maxes out at like 104 or some shit like in there, right around 100.
Yeah, I think fucking poles though. That's
That's
impressive.
fucking nasty.
Cause I'm putting 330 of the wheels with 93, so that thing, and this definitely feels faster.
I'm on 93.
And then with 85, I was near 350.
With the 85, I'll be in the fucking fives, easy. But this dude is running the same ejector as me. Apparently my fuel system isn't hooked up properly. Why the fuck are these people back here?
No idea.
Fucking do a dig. I wish I could. I mean, I got a two-step on it.
Really?
Yeah, I'll hit it for a quick second. I'm not gonna fucking launch or anything.
Yeah, I don't want to launch. Just hear the two-step.
Yeah. I just popped a big fucking flame too. I'll give you another second when we get around the corner.
That thing's fucking impressive though. It pulled.
It's quick. I was really surprised. That is just so fucking annoying though, man.
Yeah, we'll get that fixed up.
Yeah, it's just I gotta wait for him to be back at the shop and then I got it.
So what do you think you're putting down? It's like mid fours?
Low fours, honestly.
Low fours?
Maybe 420 right now.
That's pretty good with only 20 pounds of boost. That turbo's
No, this thing can go up to like 35-ish.
way capable. Shit. That thing fucking goes.
Yeah.
That's really impressive.